Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my oil cleansing routine. Oil cleansing is cleansing your skin with oil and it helps to remove excess sebum, dead skin, blackheads, whiteheads, pollutants, and makeup. So when you massage these oils onto your skin, it actually lifts all of the things that I just mentioned out of your pores. You're left with glowing, clearer skin. I also want to thank Skin 1004 for kindly sponsoring this video. I have been using their oil cleanser and their Ampoule, and I'm going to be sharing both of those products with you guys later on in the video. The first step is to gently and quickly cleanse my face using the CeraVe, I think I'm finally going to start pronouncing this right, the CeraVe Cream to Foam Cleanser. So because I oil cleanse at night, I don't want any of the heavy, more noticeable dirt and sebum on my face from the day to be rolling around my skin as I'm oil cleansing. This also helps to wash away any sunscreen that I might have on my face, so that way when I start to actually oil cleanse, it will be on my actual skin and not like on a layer of heavy sunscreen that I applied earlier that day. Step 2 is to set up my facial steam. I'm going to be steaming my face while I oil cleanse. Facial steams help to loosen up dirt, blackheads, whiteheads, making them easier to come out while I'm oil cleansing. This isn't necessary, but it's just an extra step that I feel like makes my skin a lot more healthy and clear. The next step is to oil cleanse. So for my current oil cleansing routine, I have been using this light cleansing oil from the Madagascar Centella line by Skin 1004. As you may have seen in my previous videos, I used to use straight up castor oil and jojoba oil to oil cleanse, but I've been paying closer attention to what my skin really needs, and I've realized that it does not need heavy oils like castor oil. My skin really needs light oils, ones that will nourish and hydrate my skin without leaving any oily residue. With this cleansing oil, you're not only getting light oils, but you are also getting fresh centella. The ingredients are very minimal, yet extremely high quality. So the centella comes right from Madagascar. It's the key ingredient in this oil cleanser as it has healing and protective qualities. It's important that the centella in this cleansing oil is from Madagascar because the centella in Madagascar is untouched. In other words, it is pure, it is not contaminated, and it's just the freshest that you can get. By massaging this on my face when I remove my makeup and when I oil cleanse, it helps to not only remove the sebum, dirt, and makeup from my skin, but it also soothes and nourishes my skin because of the centella. This is a really great cleansing oil for those who are new to oil cleansing and for those who just don't want to use heavy oils. It's as light as water and it is extremely gentle. It's not going to leave your skin oily afterwards, which is important, especially during the summer because my skin gets really oily when it's hot and humid out. And although I do still oil cleanse in the summer, I want my skin to have the right amount of glow but not be oily. I just apply it to my entire face, I massage it around, and when I'm done massaging it around, I just rinse it off and continue on with my skincare routine. I want to mention that I have also been using this Ampoule by Skin 1004. An Ampoule is basically just a more concentrated version of a serum. I use it right after my toner, so you guys will see that in a few minutes. The Ampoule contains centella as well, and it works to repair damaged skin while regulating the moisture oil balance. Typically, I start my nighttime skincare routine with this light cleansing oil to remove my makeup. In that case, I would only use it for about 30 seconds, depending on how much makeup I'm wearing. But for my oil cleansing routine, I'm going to be using this for 5 minutes, as I mentioned earlier. I will leave a link in the description for you guys to purchase the light cleansing oil and the Ampoule from the Madagascar Centella line by Skin 1004. Step 4 is to use a gua sha. So I like to warm mine up with the steamer first, and then I use it along my jawline. The gua sha helps to relax my jaw, which has been super helpful, especially because I have TMJ. My jaw can get extremely sore, but the gua sha helps to relax my jaw so I don't grind my teeth as much. It also helps to contour my jawline / make it more defined. I use one every day, but I really like to use it when I'm oil cleansing because it just smoothly goes on my face because of the oil and the facial steam. Step 5 is to pat my face with a cold washcloth. I prefer a cold washcloth because it won't wash all of the oils off of my face as fast as a warm washcloth would. It will just keep my skin hydrated, but not to the point where it's like too oily. And although I obviously want like all of the oil off of my face eventually, I do want to keep a little bit on while I double cleanse, which is the next step. So next I double cleanse, and I do this using the CeraVe Cream to Foam cleanser. Although I double cleanse when oil cleansing, you technically don't have to with this oil cleanser because it emulsifies when mixed with water. Step 7 is to use a toner. I'm just using Pixie's Glow Tonic. I love this toner. I also really like to use this toner and then right away I'll just do a facial steam. That makes my skin so smooth and it makes my skin absorb the ingredients in the Glow Tonic a lot better. This is something that some people can use every day or even twice a day, but for me, I just like to use it a few times a week. Now I'm going to use Skin 1004's Centella Ampoule. This ampoule has really helped to repair the dry patches on my cheeks as well as under and around my eyes. As I mentioned earlier, this product is intended to repair the skin barrier while regulating the moisture oil balance. In doing that, it leaves my skin with a perfect healthy glow, and ever since I received this product from Skin 1004, I have been using it on a daily basis. This ampoule soothes skin inflammation like acne and also reduces excess oil production, which is key for the summertime because I don't know if you guys are like me, but my skin gets extremely oily in the summer. I've also noticed that my hyperpigmentation has gone down a lot since I've started using this product. My second to last step is to moisturize my skin. So I'm using the Ordinary's Moisturizing Factors Facial Moisturizer, but I have been doing this thing where I put a super heavy layer of moisturizer on my face at night after I'm done with my PM skincare routine. And then when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks so smooth. Okay, I forgot there's one last step. So the last step is to use petroleum jelly on my cheeks, my lips, and my chin. Whenever I do this, it always gets rid of my dry skin. I don't think it's necessarily the petroleum jelly that is hydrating my skin. I think that the petroleum jelly just helps to provide a seal over my skin, so the moisture. This has been my oil cleansing routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Skin 1004 for kindly sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you, and I will talk to you guys next time.